Like most of you, I'm super busy and really don't have time to spend my days off maintaining the yard. We do hire a guy that comes out about once every couple of weeks to cut the grass, but especially during the summer, it grows way faster than that, and asking him to come out more often would definitely get pretty expensive. In this video, I'll be partnering with Dreame to take a look at the A3 AWD Pro, the wire-free four-wheel drive robotic mower that uses AI and a 360-degree 3D LiDAR to actually see and map your yard. No boundary wires, no RTK poles, nothing like that. And I have to say, this one really impressed me. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that really stood out to me about the A3 AWD Pro was just how easy it was to get started. So in the past, I've set up robotic mowers that require boundary wires, and that's basically a full day project. You're out in the yard running wire along the entire edge of your property, looping around trees, play areas, flower beds. It's a lot. Other mowers I've used have required an RTK setup where you're finding the perfect spot for a base station and a signal pole, moving them around your yard until you get a good signal lock. There again, another lengthy process. With the A3 AWD Pro, I didn't have to do any of that. I literally just took it out of the box, opened the Dreame app on my phone, and it was ready to start mapping. What makes this possible is something Dreame calls the OmniSense 3.0. It combines a 360-degree 3D LiDAR with binocular AI vision, so this thing is scanning your entire yard and building a full 3D map in real time. It knows exactly where it is at all times, and it can see everything around it with no blind spots. I've got two dogs, and they do like to wander around the yard while this thing's mowing, and it just handled it. It detected them, recalculated its path, and kept going. That's a pretty big deal for my family. I really like the fact that I don't have to worry about the dogs being outside while this thing's running, or my blueberry bushes, or my baby fig trees. Now let's talk about how this handles the yard itself. My yard's not exactly flat. There's slopes and all kinds of divots and uneven spots. A lot of robotic mowers that I've tested have had trouble with that. This one has a four-wheel drive system, and it can climb slopes up to 80%. That's a nearly 40-degree incline, and this had no problem handling the slight incline or the bumps and divots in my yard. I tested this out on a pretty steep ramp in front of my shed, and you can see all four wheels gripping and climbing with no slipping and no stopping. It just keeps going, and it's not just slopes, it also crosses obstacles up to about 2 inches high, so rocks, roots, and uneven ground, things that would stop other mowers. This just rolls right over them. I didn't have any of those moments where I had to go out and rescue the mower from getting stuck. It just keeps mowing. When it comes to the actual cut, the A3 AWD Pro has a 15.8-inch dual blade system. For a large yard like mine, that kind of cutting width makes a real difference in efficiency. My first cut here, the grass was a little overgrown, and this had absolutely no trouble powering through it. Whether it was the thicker grass on the side or the Bermuda grass out front, it handled all of it. You can adjust the cutting height from just over an inch up to almost 4 inches, so you can set it to whatever works best for your type of grass. And I really like the fact that you can do that right from the app without having to manually adjust anything on the machine. One thing that really stands out is the edge cutting. This uses what Dreame calls Edge Master 2.0, and the cutting discs actually extend out to within about 1.2 inches of walls, borders, and flower beds, so you're getting a super clean edge, and it minimizes what you're having to go back and get with a weed whacker afterward, which is a big deal for me because the manual trimming is one of the things that I like least about yard maintenance, plus this saves some serious time. Now, one thing that I didn't expect from a robotic mower is how much security it adds to your property. The A3 AWD Pro has real-time video monitoring built right into the Dreame app, so even when I'm not at home, I can pull up my phone and see exactly what's happening in the yard. It has human detection, so if someone comes into the yard while the mower's running, or even when it's not, you'll get an alert. You can also set it to patrol mode, so it's basically keeping an eye on your property around the clock. I thought that was a pretty cool feature. And if someone tries to pick it up and walk off with it, you get an instant lift-up alert. It's also compatible with AirTags, so you can track it in real time if it does go missing. For a mower that you're leaving outside unattended, that kind of peace of mind is really valuable. Most mowers have to punch out when the sun goes down, but the Dreame A3 AWD Pro is just getting started. Thanks to its built-in high-intensity headlights and OmniSense 3.0 technology, this beast doesn't need daylight to get the job done. While other mowers might lose their way in the dark, the A3's 3D LiDAR and AI vision work in tandem to see the terrain in real time mapping your yard with centimeter level precision and identifying over 300 types of obstacles. Because it operates at a whisper quiet 65 decibels, you can wake up to a perfectly manicured lawn without ever losing a wink of sleep. Overall, the Dreame A3 AWD Pro has been really impressive. The setup was by far the easiest that I've experienced on a robotic mower with no wires or poles. Just take it out of the box and get mowing. The 4-wheel drive system handled everything my yard threw at it. The edge cutting is genuinely clean, and the security features are a nice bonus that I wasn't expecting. One thing that you should keep in mind is that the LiDAR and the cameras on top do need to be kept clean. If they get dirty or obstructed, that can affect performance, so that's something you'll want to stay on top of. But as far as the actual mowing experience itself, this is one of the best robotic mowers that I've tested. I'll be sure to leave links in the description so you can find out more information about the Dreame A3 AWD Pro and pick one up for yourself. Make sure you use my discount code to save a little money when you do place your order. That about wraps it up for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.